Test. We should be live. William Williams, the first one here. What's going on, William? The Doge. What's the Doge at? I haven't taken like a Bitcoin over the weekend. Let's see. I haven't really done anything over the weekend. I did no research, nothing, no reading. Let's see. 39.3 Bitcoin. Still right under 40K. It's still in that wedge. I'm telling you, it's still trading sideways. Ever since we came down under 50, it's just been sideways. Kevin, what's going on? No, yeah, I honestly thought I wasn't gonna wake up today. I was like, I'm just probably not gonna wake up, but I don't know why I woke up. My body's just conditioned to just wake up for the markets. Regardless of how tired I am, I'm just like, I'm just gonna wake up. Let's see, I have some coffee. Ortex is like frozen right now. Give it 1 second. I checked the SI on AMC. So after hours on Friday, we didn't pretty much do anything. Pre-market, somewhat green. We're only up 1% today. The earnings, I think, were actually changed. Let's see. I think they're saying August 9 now. Yep. This was August 5th, so they fooled me. I was talking about the earnings on my videos before. So it's on Monday actually. I think it's the 9th. Yeah, on Monday. Next Monday. It was supposed to be this Thursday. All right, there we go. Ortex. Let's see. Oh, damn, Tesla's actually above 700. Mm. Are you sick? I was in Vegas at the soccer game, football game, whatever. I think I kind of lost my voice. That's what it is. Oh, morning, Robert. Robert, I saw you send me a Discord message. I haven't opened it yet. I'll get back to you right now in a bit. I just try to live stream as quick as I could. Make some coffee too. Ortex data is showing negative 0.07. So 15.08 SI for AMC. I feel like we see the same numbers every day, guys. Is it just me? Or do these numbers do not change at all? It's like the same thing. What's going on, C3D? 37.95. I still see this wedge here forming. The move is coming. The move is gonna be an upward down or upward or downward. I think it's gonna be aggressive. $40 is that resistance that we've been kind of struggling in AMC. We still have higher lows though, so it's not too bad. Tesla, I probably won't even be buying Tesla for quite some time. I'm not willing to buy above 7. Spy 440. Right near the highs, damn it. 38. Still pushing. I wouldn't be surprised if AMC comes down right now, back down to the lows. This is what AMC does all the time. Let's wait for it to dip so we can actually be able to buy the dip. Let's go to Twitter. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. It's gonna be aggressive whichever way. I agree too. I agree. I see the pennant forming. I think it's gonna make a move. I think earnings is the catalyst. Earnings was changed, by the way. It is not this Thursday. It is next Monday on the 9th. Twitter, of course. Every time I open Twitter, it's just Bitcoin everywhere. I can't stand these Bitcoin people sometimes on Twitter. 5 reasons why Bitcoin will eventually be dethroned. It's coming down. Not surprised. Let's see it. Another delay. No, I thought that too, but usually we've had that instance before where they have earnings on a set date and then out of nowhere it changes. I've had that before here on Think or Swim. It'll have a certain date, like in this case it had August 5th for AMC, and then the AGM came out, or I think Adam Aaron tweeted saying that it was on the 9th. So I don't think they changed it. I think we just didn't know the exact date. I think they were just estimating. So this is kind of the pattern I'm kind of seeing here on AMC. Higher lows, you can see here 31.10, 35, 36, right at 37 now. Higher lows, that's always a good sign. Resistance is at 40. So this looks like a pattern, the technical ascending ABCD textbook pattern. Let me pull this up for you guys. ABCD textbook breakout. I think I've showed this before. Uh, this. This is kind of what I'm seeing here on AMC right now. Can you guys kind of see this here? The A point would be like $40. The B point is obviously the higher lows, and the breakout level is still 40. So we're waiting for the D, technically. The D is what we're waiting for. That big move. Which is a $40. So I wouldn't be too crazy about AMC until we start seeing 40 again. Stocks aren't trending. It's August, by the way. It is August 2nd. We need that D, man. No, no, just leave Phoenix. Leave Phoenix alone. Let's see. Virgin Galactic still at 30. Hmm. SPY coming down. Ooh, Nasdaq just pulled back here. Let's see. Apple 145. We're we're waiting for Apple to hit new highs before we actually short this time. Apple has presented a couple short opportunities, and we never really took opportunity of it. GameStop 160. No news on GameStop. Mm, nope. I'm not seeing anything. Let's see. Why does Windows log me out of everything? Like Twitter has been doing this lately. I have to log into Twitter again. I have to log into YouTube. I have to log into Ortex. Like it doesn't just keep me logged in. Why is that? Moderna Pfizer hike vaccine prices up by 25%. Before open on Monday. I think it's after hours. If I'm not mistaken. After hours. Sky News suspended by YouTube. Sky News sounds familiar. I wonder why. Let's see. Sky News. No, they're not. AMC still at 37.80, still in the green territory, up 2%. Ortex still showing negative 0.46. Tesla's hitting new highs, man. Talk about FOMO. I'm waiting for AMC to give us a good dip opportunity. Preferably under like 37, low 37. I think it can give us an opportunity. It has to definitely go red first. Let's see. Hopefully we don't trade sideways this week. I want to see a move. The viewers dropped really hard. Yeah, it's looking like my viewers look like AMC stock off the highs. It's not looking too solid. We need to bounce back, man. NBA legend Charles Barkley, my advisors don't believe in crypto. Only fools believe in crypto. Crypto no. Vegas tables, yes. That's on CNBC. Damn AMC, I don't think we're gonna get an opportunity right now to buy, guys. I'm looking for low 37s. GameStop's waking up too. 162. I'm gonna set another just in case I get it later. Let's check GameStop on Ortex. I think they were the same date. I think they were the same short interest at 15%. Let's see. Right around there. 14.73 for GameStop. However, GameStop's is actually a plus 5%. AMC's is down like half a percent. AMC still boring, man. Need to break out of 40. The move is coming. The breakout is coming. Agree. Quality, not quantity. Always, Kevin. C3 says, just cleaned out all of my news channels. I know politicians are effed up. Cannot watch any more for now. That's definitely why I don't even tune into. Like, I don't like watching the news, honestly. And it sucks because we have to. We have to keep up to date. Can you guys see, or am I like foggy? What's going on, Colleen? I usually just keep up with them on C3 on Twitter. I keep up with tweets. Sava, I believe you're talking about Sava, right? On Friday, Rob? Actually, Rob, you said you wanted to buy Sava on Friday because it was looking cheap. It's up 17%. AMC is making the move above 38 once again. It is up 3%. We should be in the green territory today. Squeezing still here, 38.40, up nearly 4%. The move is coming. It's gonna take some work to get back to 40, but I think it's possible, especially with earnings around the corner. What if earnings for AMC is a buy the rumor, sell the news? We go up to 40, maybe like 43 this week, and then it dumps because it's like a buy the rumor. Nasdaq's pulling back. Let's see. Earnings today after the close. What do we have? Any big names? No notables that I see. Yep, Tesla is over $700 for the first time since April. Is anybody here swing trading AMC? Is it the AMC question, Rob? Like it's kind of bizarre to think about the date we're in. It's the month we're in. It's August. 8 months ago, it was January. Like it's really been 8 months. I'm gonna set an alert on these just in case I'm not on my PC later, which I probably won't be on my PC later. I usually don't like trading on my MacBook because it just starts to overheat. I don't know what it is. It just can't handle the heat. But let's have some alerts just in case. Thoughts on Neo? Didn't Neo deliver today? They had deliveries today, I believe. Fourth straight gain after July delivers data. July deliveries rise 228%. What are the numbers? Delivered 8,040 vehicles in China, a jump of 220% of the year, and rise of 22% over last month's numbers. Well, Neo's directly tied with Tesla, so wherever Tesla goes, Neo's gonna go. It's like AMC and GameStop. But overall, I'd rather just go with Tesla. I'm not gonna lie. AMC once again trying to break out past 38.50s. Can we see 39? Maybe 40 today. Actually, no, let's not jinx it because I swear every time I say like we could hit like 40 before we end the stream, it literally does the opposite. It'll start coming down. I'm like, wow, what a fake out. Oh, it was actually somebody else, Rob, that I was looking for property in Houston. Just going through all the earnings announcement schedules for today, I noticed something interesting. At least it was from all the banks and financial stocks. Take a guess what all their short interest is, and also gonna take a guess what they were trading in relation to their 52 guys. Was it the ER after hours that I pulled up today? Right? For today after hours. No, I knew it was the earnings because that was the first question you asked or the first statement at 4:30 in the morning. Let's see. TTWO is one of them. Just pull up the SI on Ortex. Let's use Ortex. Take Two Interactive Software. Let's pull up the stock. Meanwhile, TTWO. This is them. Let's pull up the 4-hour. As you can see here, earnings. The SI is only 2%. That's just one of them. MOS is another one. Moss. This one also has 2%. Let's pull up a random one. PXD. That's another one today. $2%. Go back to AMC really quick. Are we above 40 now? No, still fighting support at 38. What's going on, Gardenome? All banks and institutions, every damn one of them. SI. Yeah, it is. They're all under like 5%. Well, the ones I saw at least. Can that be just a coincidence? I'm gonna have to read that super strong DD after Congressional Budget Office admits inflation. I don't believe in coincidence. SI for AMC is still down 0.5% at 15.02. What's going on, Gardenome? But one more this AM. Do you buy one share every day? I believe you do, huh? Gardenome? Happy Gardenome. What's going on, Ben? You're never late to the party, man. The casino is running every single day. I have 69.11 extra shares now. That's a good holding spot. I know. I think you said on the Discord that GameStop's now your largest position, depending on my mood. One day, Jay Powell will eat his transitory words for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Cuomo says New York can mandate mask guidance without a law. Cuomo says if the Rona 19 numbers don't come down, should consider mandatory vaccines for nurses, workers, teachers, not healthcare workers. Mm. Still at 38 for AMC. Let's see what support level do we ideally want to hold this week. 37 $37 for AMC this week is gonna be crucial. It has to hold 37 because if it does come down under 37, these higher lows are off the table. $37. That's going to be the ideal support level. This is the way. Um, I finished my class though, by the way, guys. I was trying to check to see if I had any homework, but I forgot I finished my class. So I start back in 20, exactly, I think 20 days. It'll probably go on to like the end of the year as well, Garden Home. I'm not gonna lie. It's already been 8 months. I'll train higher end of the 2 week range. Isn't it bizarre? The Bank of America's up 1% today. I would say off the high slightly, yes. Pull up the dailies, go back to like another bank, JPM. Probably gonna be the same pattern. Off the highs, off the highs. Morgan Stanley hitting, I believe, a fresh new 52-week high. Wells Fargo's, I believe, is WFC, right? Right nearly at the high. You are correct. The move's coming on AMC. Look at this daily chart right under EMA. But for now, it's kind of boring, I would say, in terms of like day trading. There really hasn't been like a dip yet. We'll see if there is though. Appreciate that, Colleen. It's gonna be a hectic next couple months, by the way, too. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. I'll find a way. This is like my professor, I guess, for accounting. I have been a CFO for both public and private corporations in the 100 million to 350 million revenue range and managed consolidated revenues in excess of 800 million. Nice. Oh, SEC reporting? Nice. I guess I'm gonna have to tune into because this is asynchronous. So he's definitely gonna have some hours where he could meet up with the students. So maybe I should pop in there one time and just like talk to him. And SEC reporting. See what he knows. Maybe he might have some nice insights for us. Accounting is constantly changing to meet spikes coming down, the needs of financial community. The requirements to become a CPA have also undergone massive changes after several years of decline. Blah blah blah. I don't want to read this. When the only two YouTubers you engage with weren't invited to the sit down? What do you mean the sit down? Doing any class during the pandemic is hard. Actually, the only class I kind of struggled with was statistics, but I did pass it, but it was kind of odd. But I would say that was the only class I kind of passed but still struggled with. And this fall is actually back in person too. I just don't wanna. I don't think I have the time to just drive there and just sit and come back. I don't think I can handle that. AMC's coming back. It's still almost up nearly 4%. Jeez. I don't want to jinx it, man, but 40 today? What do you guys think? I don't want to jinx it because I swear every time I do this, it comes down. Wait, what's it? The Adamaran sit down? Wait, I'm not getting. I'm not understanding the Adamaran sit down. Ooh, right off the highs. 38.50. Is it gonna come down like that? Is it not gonna break or what? We should see a nasty rip right now. Let's go. There's no walls on the level two. Not that I'm seeing. I do 3 Adamaran sit downs a week. What? Is this like an earnings joke or something? Did you see the video with Trey gave TMI and a couple others? No, I'm not understanding this. Let's see. Go to Trey's channel. Trey. Come on, AMC. What the heck? No. That's not what it is, Phoenix. It's Adam Aaron. Come on, YouTube. It's like frozen on me. There we go. His most recent one, it says War rages on 13 hours ago. Oh, is it this one? A talk I've been wanting to have?
Provide you guys with what you want to see. And I've just been doing a lot of thinking about...
This is an 8-minute video. I don't think I'm gonna watch it on stream. First of all, Trey's probably gonna copyright us. Someone give me the rundown of this.
how to plan out and budget that money. And stop.
Oh, sorry if that was loud. I'm sorry. It was actually a review dork, I believe. I know who that guy is, the review dork. Because I think when I saw my AMC, he immediately jumped on to make a video. I think he said that he actually respected.
What's up, YouTube?
Oh. Is this one?
What's up?
AMC, the game hasn't changed. That one? It's 11 minutes. I'm not gonna watch this right now. GameStop pulling back. Morning, Pam. They had a meetup in Kansas.
Has completed. So at this
I
point,
wonder
it's
why
more
I
just
wasn't invited.
updates on what is going on more broad market and how everything affects it, and correcting some things that have been.
My answer was very simple, and it's infiltration. Now, that can be thought of in a couple different ways. You can think of
Anywhere.
I think Trey quit stream. I don't think he quit. I think he's just been busy. This is cringy. It's like some Wall Street, Wolf of Wall Street vibes. You guys know how I feel about all the people who don't show positions. Come on, guys. Like, if someone is not showing you the position, they sold. They're gone. Like, people don't want to hear that, but that's the truth. There's no lawyer BS. Like, that's all BS. Like, trust me. That's all excuses to hide. And like, respectfully, you know, it is what it is. You can show paper positions. Um, I believe they go to, what do they use? Webull, right? I don't know Webull enough to know. Does Webull have a paper trading software because Thinkorswim does. Like if you go on here, it's so amazing. Like, look, you could go on demand, right? And this is every time you see yellow up here, it says virtual account. So this is this is like what 100K in this account. Like this is you're probably wondering why are the prices glitching. GameStop is at $350 and AMC is at $25. This is the price on January 27th, so you could go back and simulate trade this. Well, this is all fake. Look at this. Oh, there's no positions on here. Interesting. But this is all simulated. But if you get off demand, this is the real deal. So I don't know about Weeble though. I don't know how that would work, but usually when they don't show live positions, that's like the biggest red flag to me. Yeah, it's all my fault, Ben. And I don't blame him, man. Like you bought in super low, it's at 70. You'd be not to sell at those prices or take some profits. Like I can't blame the people, you know? I just don't like how they're not transparent about it. That's what doesn't sit right with me. That's the biggest, most obvious red flag to me. Like if you can't see that, you must freaking be in love with the guy or something like that. I don't understand it. Like you go on Reddit or something and say something like that, you're gonna get downvoted probably into the oblivion. Get called a shell, a hedge fund. It's not good. I sold my AMC at 56, happy with the profits, nice. And you could always rebuy back on the dip. So we did have a double top here at 38.50. That's some resistance for today, definitely. That's why I don't want to jinx it. Edgy boo thing. They call me Mr. Ken Griffin's nephew. That's what they like to call me. And isn't that so bizarre, guys? Thinking about how people were saying like, "Oh, these YouTubers are paid off by Citadel." Like Citadel reached out to them to sell and talk bad about the stock. That is, I don't know how people think that. It makes me laugh. Like, ah, they don't think. Thinking is like difficult nowadays. Oh man, I swear, these Bitcoin people are always arguing on Twitter. According to Michael Saylor, it would take 1,000 hours to really understand Bitcoin. If so, how can anything so complicated ever be widely adopted? How many people have an extra 1,000 hours to study Bitcoin? If Bitcoin really had value, it would be simple to understand. Michael Saylor replies, like Bitcoin, you can accept fire, electricity, radio, or the internet instantly and start benefiting from these things, assuming they are built into products by firms you trust. If you're going to reject these technologies, you need to spend 1,000 hours to understand why. This activate Windows is never going away, man. That's why we're going to short Microsoft stock. What the F happened to GE? General Electric. I don't know. Oh, they had a split. That's what happened. That's what you're probably wondering. Let's take a look at Ford. Not bad. Tesla 723. Ah, man, I literally bought like $100 ago. Everyone's a genius in hindsight, right? AMC still at $38. Not too exciting, I'm not gonna lie. It's not too exciting yet. Wait for this to come down, I'll dip by this. Damn, man. Crypto equals buy, delete the app, and then look at it in 3 years. It's like Robinhood or any other broker you're using. Just whatever stock you're buying, GameStop, AMC, you buy, you delete the app. And if for any reason you take losses, you delete the app. It goes away, right? It's not the loss anymore. The app's deleted. It doesn't count. You bought Tesla at 823. Mm-mm. We were buying what like low 600s. I bought Tesla here, and I'll tell you where I sold. Look how fast I sell. It was off the lows. Here, I bought Tesla right here, like literally off the low, and I just started pushing. I sold like in 630 something. And as you can see, it's right around almost $100. $100 later, and it's hitting new highs as we speak. But Tesla does that. It has these nasty swings like that. So I wouldn't be surprised for it to come down. August 19th is the Tesla AI day. That's probably going to be a huge flop. U.S. Treasury 10-year reaches new record low. $1.20. I love getting these reminders on Twitter. Reminder, Bitcoin is unstoppable 13 hours ago. And I don't even follow this guy. This is getting recommended on my feed. I have a feeling this Jack Dorsey CEO dude is Jack Dorsey still the CEO of Twitter? CEO of Twitter, or did he? Yeah, Dorsey still. I thought he would step down or something. No, he's still CEO. He's for Bitcoin, so I guess he's just probably like mass spreading like these Bitcoin recommendation tweets. That's probably my guess. I don't know what it is. I don't even follow these Bitcoin people, and why am I getting Bitcoin recommended? Every time I open Twitter, it's always crypto. Had forgotten GE was doing a reverse split. Almost hit my head when I fell off my chair with that price. I was just playing about that, by the way. If you delete the broker and you're taking the loss, the losses don't disappear. I was just messing around. For anyone that probably thought I was being serious. So much less stress, you're right? Alright, AMC's pulling back. It's coming down. Let's go to Ortex, refresh the SI. Still 15.02. Where is it gonna bounce off of? Boom, we strike. And we did not get filled. Oh, there we go. So let's slowly start buying the dips. If I'm in debt to the bank, I just delete the emails. Exactly. Delete the app. Delete the Bank of America app. The US Bank app. It'll go away. Not financial advice, by the way. Hopefully nobody thinks I'm serious right now. Hopefully nobody thinks I'm serious. Stop dipping, AMC. What are you doing? This is why we only buy a little bit of shares. So if it dips more, we buy more. How much lower can you go? 37.70, not too bad. GameStop doing the same thing, coming down. Except GameStop's actually near the low of the day at 160.12. AMC still has some room to fall, in which it probably still will. Just because I bought it's in a tank now, watch. Hey Rob, I'm a twinge bit of FOMO for AMC. What should I do? I think you're messing with me. Not a financial advisor. I just changed the address. Oh, I forgot about Robinhood. What's going on with Robinhood? Oh, it's actually green today. Interesting. I forget about this stock. Let's set some alerts. This is another meme stock in my book. Robinhood. It's not looking too bad actually. I have for some reason I have a feeling this is gonna go above 40.25. It's gonna go above the high here on IPO day. The volume died down drastically, by the way. You give him an address, amateur. Oh man. Ooh, ooh. Is he still gonna continue to drop? We need a stronger bounce than 74. I'm talking like 87, 90 cents. Come on. There we go. TD Ameritrade Network. I guess they're talking about technical analysis. I've never tuned into that actually.
The previous 20,000 and really break out this time. Not test and flirt with all-time records, but really break out. It is a huge event. It can't be understated.
Oh, it's still dropping. Let's wait for it to actually come down one more time. 11 trillion total in debt. Billion. It's bouncy now. Let's actually hold off on this. Um, so that's gonna be the play for me, guys. Keep buying AMC on the dip. Spy just left my territory on the dip. Tesla. It's gonna be Tesla hitting new highs. As we speak. AMC, stop dropping, damn it. Yeah. Alright, alright, let's buy more. Is it gonna come down? like testing me right now. It's like, do I want to buy more or no? Or do we just wait for it to come down? What are we at, 70? Not bad. Not bad. Oh man, it's still dropping. This, see, I would have jinxed it if it was at 40, or that push to 40. This happens all the time. Yeah, we're gonna end it. So that would be my play here. AMC. Tesla's not giving me the opportunity today. Probably Tesla won't give me the opportunity till like mid-August. I'm not gonna lie. We need a nasty red day on it on Tesla. Tesla's just like going to the moon right here. It's just like a rocket off the EMA. It's gonna pull back eventually. Obviously, it's gonna find some support. I don't know if it's gonna hold 700, but man, look at that. It'll pull back though. Just be patient. I don't want to get wrecked. Usually I like buying the dip on SPY, but I don't know. I don't know how I missed this dip here. AMC is still looking kind of weak here. So we're gonna wait for AMC to hold some support before I actually jump in again. Yep. All apes. The blame's on me, baby. I'll take the heat. It's my fault. I jinxed AMC. That's where it's coming. AMC's gonna collapse because I bought. That's what it is. Oh, AMC, AMC. I can't. Oh man, I just can't. I just can't. One last refresh of the Ortex. Actually, just went down like 0.01. That's 1 basis point. Let's send the Discord link in the YouTube chat. I'll keep you guys posted on the AMC short interest. AMC don't come down. AMC is looking weak right now, man. Like I said earlier, $37 would be my ideal support. 37. I'd hate to see this. Oop, as we speak, it comes down. I think I just need to shut up and end the stream. That's another alert. With that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your Monday morning. Stop dropping. Let's end the stream. This is gonna be a massacre.